Today's lesson is about declarative sentences. Okay, you've known them before as telling sentences, and I think last year in grade 3 they were called statements. There is an example written on the board and it says, the boy ate his lunch. This is a telling sentence. It's telling about the boy and what he did. The boy ate his lunch. So there are some common features that you need to know about a declarative sentence. We're just going to go over them again together. The first letter of the first word always has to be written in uppercase. So the word the starts with a capital T. Another thing that you have to remember is that this sentence is telling about someone or something doing something or being something. In this case, it's telling about the boy and what this boy is doing. He ate his lunch. And one more important feature that will help you identify a declarative sentence, if it's written in your book, is that it always ends with a dot. If there's no dot, it means it's another kind of sentence. So I've written some examples here. Okay, number 1, the computer screen shows numbers and letters. This sentence is about the computer screen. And what is the computer screen doing? It is showing numbers and letters. I underlined the computer screen with one red line because that is the subject of your declarative sentence. And I underlined the second part, shows numbers and letters, that is the predicate, because another feature about a declarative sentence is that it has two parts, the subject and the predicate. It has two parts. The first part is called the subject and the second part is a predicate. Two more examples. Number 2, my father drives a big car. It tells about my father, and what he does is that he drives a big car. And then sentence number 3, his jeans look really cool. This sentence is about his jeans. And what they are doing is that they are looking really cool. So a declarative sentence has two parts. It has a subject, which in number 1, the previous example on the first page is my father, and it has a predicate, drives a big car. Okay. Number 1 on this page, the subject is the computer screen. The predicate shows numbers and letters. Number 2, subject is my father. Predicate is drives a big car. And number 3, his jeans is the subject and look really cool is the predicate. Okay, and then just to say one thing about the something to help you identify where the subject of the sentence ends is at the noun. Your subject will the last word of your subject is going to be a noun. So my father, my is a pronoun and father is a noun. It's a person's name. And the predicate always starts with a verb or an action word. In this case, drives. This is an action word. It is showing something being done. Thank you very much. I hope you understood this lesson. Bye bye.